Okay, we have the question here states, find the volume of the following prism. Now a prism has what we call a cross section, and that cross section is spread through a length to create a three-dimensional object. Is that all right there? So we want to find the volume of it, in other words the space that this prism occupies. So how we do it is this. First thing, we identify this cross section here, and I need to find the area of the cross section. The first thing I must do is find the area of that cross section there, and the cross section in this case is a triangle. Great. Then when we found the area of the cross section, we must multiply it by the depth of the prism, and the depth of this prism in this case is 8. So I've tried a little formula here. The area of the cross section multiplied by the depth of the prism is equal to the volume of the prism. So let's set about this. This is a right angle triangle, and to find the area of a right angle triangle, it's half the base times the height. So first of all, I've got to label a few things. The base here is 7 and the height here is 6. So we're going to sub those in. So it's a half of the base, which is 7, multiplied by the height, which is 6. And 7 multiplied by 6 is 42, multiplied by a half is 21. So that's that part done there. Next piece is the depth. The depth here is 8. So if I was to label 8, I'd call it D. So it's going to be, that's going to be 8. So it's going to be 21 multiplied by 8 equals the volume of the prism. And 21 multiplied by 8 is 168. Now, we have not been given any units, so I'm just going to refer to these as square units. So 168 square units is equal to the volume of our prism. And that is the question completed.